Hello, and welcome to Behavioral Health Connection Portal, also simply called BHC Portal. This video is for new users. In it, we will cover just a few of the basic features of BHC Portal to get you up and running as quickly as possible. You can find more information, as well as step-by-step guides in our online help. Let's start by configuring your provider settings, locations, and programs. Click Administrative, then click BHC Settings. On this screen, enter all of the basic information about your practice or agency. If you wish to take advantage of our built-in billing functionality, be sure to visit the billing section and enter the information requested. Next, let's set up your agency's locations. With BHC Portal, you can have multiple agency locations or just one. By default, you will already have a location created, simply named Default. If you click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil, you can change the name, address, etc. for this location. You will also want to set up at least one program under the Programs screen. As you can see, it is very simple and similar to how we set up locations. Next, let's define what service codes, modifiers, and groups you will offer. Like the Locations and Programs screen, you can see it's easy to add new service codes and modifiers. Once you have added a few, you will want to create what is known as service rates. These are codes and modifiers, which have been assigned a monetary price for a given unit of time. Finally, configure your service groups, which group together related service rates. Next, we are ready to add some patients to the system. In BHC Portal, patients are known as clients. Visiting the Manage Clients screen will let you add new clients. Here, we can see some previously entered ones. Once you have entered a client, you can view or edit the client later. Once you do, you will notice tabs across the top of the screen. This lets you enter assessments, comments, goals, service authorizations, and more associated with the selected client. BHC Portal has lots of features to offer. This has simply been a first look. Please feel free to explore, read through the online help section, or contact us for more help. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Behavioral Health Connection.